Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorial. Today I will show you how to break section line. Okay, for example, I will use this sample project and we can go into level 1. The next I will create a section line from these floor plans. You can go into view menu and click section. I will create stuff from this point and we can move into here. So we create this new section. You can go into section in project browser. Okay, this section 1. You can double click to go into this section. Now we already inside in the section. So how to break this section line? You can select this box and then you can click this icon to break in the middle section. You can click, it will be automatically break. You can recess by clicking at this point to this point, or you can recess in here. You also can select at these arrows to move to the bottoms, or you can move to the top with these arrows. To back again into normals, you can click at these points, you can move into this point. So it will be back into normal. And to break again, you can only select this section. Like in here, I will select. And then we can use these arrows to move into this point. Okay, that's it, how to break a section line in Revit. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.